你们好 Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. We provide you free Chinese language courses. We try to use the shortest time but provide you the most systematic knowledge about the language. In today's lesson, we'll have 3 tasks. First one, learn occupations. Second part, learn how to praise someone. For example, you're very pretty, you're very cute, you're very smart. How's that in Chinese? And the third part, practice the tricky initials. You can jump into the part you are interested in, okay? Let's quickly move into the first part. Now, everybody, look at the screen. You can see their jobs, right? The first one, teacher, obviously, in Chinese. 老师老师我是老师 I'm teacher 我是老师 Second one 学生学生 Yes 很好 Number 3医生医生 Next司机司机 Good. Now let's play a little game. Try to say the occupations as fast as you can. Look at the first one. What is she? 很好老师老师你是老师吗Are you a teacher? Sorry. 你是老师吗 If you are, you can say 是的我是老师是的我是老师 And if you're not, you can say 不我不是老师不我不是老师很好你是老师吗？很好。Now, what is him? 很好。学生学生你是学生吗？你是学生吗？ If you are, we say 是的我是学生是的我是学生 And if you're not, we say 不我不是学生不我不是学生很好 And the third one, yes, obviously 医生医生你是医生吗？你是医生吗 If you are 是的我是医生是的我是医生 If you're not 不我不是医生不我不是医生 Second part Praise others. First one, you are very pretty in Chinese. 你很漂亮。你很漂亮。Next, you are very smart. 你很聪明。你很聪明。非常好 I believe that all of you are 你们很漂亮 or 你们很聪明 And the third part, tricky initials. Look at the first row. It's good, but look at the second row. There is a cloud. Actually, it's a wind. It means when we say the second row, we need to give a strong puff, strong air, okay? For example, this one it says 波. But this one with strong puff, it says 坡. 坡. In order to feel the stronger puff, you can put your hand in front of your mouth to feel it. 坡, 坡. Or use a little tissue, like this. First one, 波, 波. It barely moves. But the second one, 坡, 坡. First, 波. Second, 坡. Yes, the same rule applies to the rest couples. For example, this one. 的, 的. And this one. 特, 特. This one. 歌, 歌. And this one. 科, 科. This one. 滋, 滋. And this one. 吃, 吃. This one. 知, 知. This one. 吃, 吃. Yes, you can see that the second row has a much stronger puff, right? Use your palm to feel it. 波, 坡, 的, 特. Okay? Now, do you still remember the occupations? First, 老师. Next, 学生 doctor, 医生 and the last one, drivers, 司机. 很好. In our next course, we'll try to learn how to introduce others and practice more pinyin, okay? Now, everyone, have a nice day. 再见!